everyone. We are very happy here in Darwin Innovation Hub with Harley, the CEO of Paspalis Investment and the founder of Mint Program. Hello, Harley.
Nice to see you, Kathleen.
Nice to see you, Harley.
Welcome to Darwin again.
We have a few questions today to ask you because we usually, a lot of clients are asking those common questions to us. So the first one is, speaking of the 80% government bond investment required by the NT, by the Mint program, is it guaranteed that the investment can return without any loss after 5 years?
The Mint program invests 80% of its capital into Northern Territory government bonds. These bonds are guaranteed by the Northern Territory of Australia, which has a credit rating at the moment of AA3, which is investment grade and very, very sound and secure. So the risk of the bonds defaulting is linked to the strength of the Northern Territory government. So it would be very, very unlikely for such a situation to transpire. And so we look to Territory bonds as a capital preservation strategy for our bond holders in the fund.
Okay, and the second one is, for the other 20% of investment in high-risk industry for 10 years, is that safe to say that all investment might be lost at the end of the period?
Well, certainly venture capital as an asset class is a high-risk asset class and has tracked somewhere between 15 and 20% as a national average across the country, which we would hope to do as well as an asset class. But you are correct in saying that because it is a high-risk asset class, that there could be potential losses in it. So we look to the future to see the performance of both the first and second funds, and we're quietly confident that the performance will be consistent with the Australian averages.
Okay, great. And the third question is, continue with the 20% high-risk investment. Are there any reports in the progress of the investment every year?
Sure, Kathleen. So our funds with PIF1 and PIF2 under the first two Mint programs are reported quarterly to all unit holders and annually with an annual report which is audited. So all the unit holders in the Mint program get updated 3 monthly reports on the progress of the investments. To date, PIF1 is now 2 years old and has had some exciting stories in it. Our investment in Speed 3D metal printing technology has resulted in that company going international. It has secured defence contracts with the Australian Defence Force and also with the Navy, which has been publicly in the press, some very fantastic news around that. And more recently, the company is currently undertaking a capital raising at more than double the valuation that we went in on. So that company, which is nearly 50% of our investment, has been very positive, as well as that the space propulsion technology that we've invested in Singapore, a second investment, has also shown real growth in terms of commercial contracts and growth in the Singaporean market. And yes, so we're confident that those investments are doing well.
That's great to hear. And the Mint program is stepping into its second year. Are there any discussion on the continuation of this program?
Yes, so Mint is, yes, we're completing our second year and moving into our third year this coming 1st of July. And Paspalis, we expect and look forward to the Mint program being operating for at least another 4 years of this 5-year cycle. And we're confident and hopeful that it will become a very, very strong long-term program in the Northern Territory. Yeah. But at this stage now, at least till 2026 is what we're targeting as a long-term program.
Yeah. So a lot of clients still have some opportunity to get into this program as soon as you can. we all know Mint program is a small one. How likely the quota to be increased every year, yearly?
Yeah, we have, the Mint program has a small number of visas issued to it every year, which is determined by the Northern Territory government. And to date, these numbers have been very consistent, and we expect it to remain a small program. So it's a very successful, very popular program, and for those lucky people that get to go through it, we hope that that it will remain high quality, and it's perfect for those people that want to start a life in the Northern Territory and invest into innovation, and they can, in the process, obtain a pathway to a life in Australia. Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much, Harley, for today.
Thank you.
Australia Visa Link still will work with Paspalis in the coming years. We will work closely to recruit more genuine clients, and we welcome and would love to see everyone in NT. Thank you for your time.
Thank you.